Alrighty guys, so I will be teaching you guys how to share a Google document. What I'm going to do is go ahead and just title the Google document. So let's go ahead and do that. This should always be titled just because it is easier to find in your Google Drive. So after you do decide to fill out your assignment, see how to share a Google document. So we're going to go over here at the top right corner where it says share. It's currently private only to me. So we're going to go ahead and click share. So this is where you can add emails. So currently if you do add other people into this Google Doc, they can see it, nobody else can. If you want anybody with a link to open this Google document, you can, usually it is already set to this, but you can have it as restricted to only people who can see it that has this link, or you can also just make it restricted for the people that you have added. So that is it. That is all you have to do to share a Google document. And you guys have a great rest of your day.